Hey, this is Mike Taylor with Innovative E. This morning I have Bryan Quick with me. Good morning.
Hey, Mike, how you doing?
Great. So it's been about a little over 3 weeks since the new project for the web went live with the GA. Go to general availability was on the 29th of October, I think, and then that was followed by a lot of formal announcements by Microsoft and partners at Ignite. We've been heavily involved in that whole process. We did a lot of webinars. We've talked to a lot of customers. We've reduced a lot of artifacts. It's been a lot of great interaction. It's been just a lot of stuff, and then there's a lot of buzz going on out there. So, what are some of the top things that you're hearing and that you see, Bryan, and out of all these interactions we've been having?
Boy, what a couple of weeks this has been, Mike, huh? It's been a
I'm telling
whirlwind.
you, yes.
We've been around Project for a while, and I've never seen such an exciting launch.
Yeah, it's been awesome.
Yeah. So we've been doing a lot of demos, as you said, and there's a lot of folks that are really energized about the new Project for the web. The first thing they say is, wow, yeah, this really is easy to use.
Yeah,
And
it really is.
they really
Click
are
and go.
delighted by it. Yeah. It's been a change for us because we're used to the project on the desktop and then PWA with the web editing. The way that people start a project, even in Project for the web, has just been completely transitioned to a couple of clicks, and it really is really delightful for the users. That's the first reaction I get.
Right. Yep.
The other thing is they start asking questions right away about
Mhm.
possibilities that this thing can bring to them. So they want to know, how do I integrate it with my existing Project Online portfolio?
Yep.
And
Yep.
it's like the first question we get if we're talking to customers that we've done a Project Online implementation for in the past, and we're just kind of showing them the new tool. And we can help with that from
Absolutely.
innovative standpoint. With the way that the data goes into Project for the web and the common data service, we can blend that with the Project Online data in a series of dashboards.
Yep. Using Power BI to surface that information.
Yeah, it's something that we're probably going to have to build, out of natively, or kind of make. Microsoft's been talking about building that natively too, but we're going to want to do that for sure. It's a must-have.
Yeah. In fact, our guys have already done some prototypes of that. It's something that's really powerful.
It's really exciting. They want to know basically a couple of things right away too. How does this work with Teams?
Mm-hmm.
And what
Yeah.
we've done is
Absolutely.
we've really changed our demo to start in Teams
Mm-hmm.
and pull in Project for the web and the Project for the web dashboard right into that ecosystem, into that channel.
Yeah, that's right. Very collaboration centric, right? It's like this is where you start and you manage your work right from here, and then you've got your different tools that can be surfaced right from there.
So Teams sort of becomes the way that people work, the way that they collaborate. And if it happens to be on projects, then they're going to use Project for the web potentially in there.
Yep, absolutely.
They ask about, what are the next things that Microsoft's going to come up with? And of course, we've heard some mutterings, but we don't have anything solid. They ask about resource management. They
Mm-hmm.
ask about integration to Planner. And I know these things are all top of mind for our friends at Microsoft, so I know they're working on them already.
Yeah.
But really, I think the recognition that really everybody has everyday PMs in their organization, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Everybody has people in their organization that could benefit from this, even if they have a traditional PMO.
Yeah.
Project for the web kind of almost surfaces all of these potential users that are either using Excel or something else, some other cloud-based SaaS service, or they're just kind of making do with what they
Yeah.
have. And it really kind of surfaces them through the discussion. Everybody can benefit from this thing.
Yeah, you just mentioned people that already have Project Online, and we were doing a demo for one of our very large organizations in a PMO the other day, and they instantly saw the benefit for the whole organization. They were saying, "Yeah, I can see how the whole organization." Now they already have Project Online, and they're going to keep it, and they're going to continue to do things there. But they even saw, I think, some benefit for their organization for things that maybe they don't need to manage in Project Online, but are little things they could just start getting their hands around from a work management in the PMO.
Right. So it starts looping more people in. And then we get that data into the system, we get it into the platform. And then, even though the work is sort of decentralized and the method of execution and the tool of execution, it presents an opportunity, doesn't it, for a
It sure
central
does. Oh
data
yeah.
on that whole platform. And that's what we're thinking about. We get it.
Yeah. Well,
We get it.
that's been kind of the holy grail of project and work management forever. I mean, we've been in the space a long time. It's like, the top questions that people ask is, what are we doing as an organization? Where's all the a huge percentage of people's effort goes towards things that are project oriented, with whether it's formal project management or not, and they're saying, what are the things we're doing? And then the second question, and so here's the list of things we're doing. Who's working on it? And then
Right.
then what kind of results are we getting out of it? So we're saying, those are all these conversations that have been around a long time. This new tool and this new paradigm on the Power Platform, I think it's starting to bring all that together. Like you said, you're bringing all the data into one place, and now you can start answering those questions. And you don't have to do it holistically, like kind of the traditional way of going after it, very regimented, and we've got to map all the processes out and everything else. Now you can just get started with the new product and
Right.
get going. You can still have these more complicated processes. They're going to exist, but you can start to answer these questions a lot more holistically, and that's super exciting.
So it's really changed the conversation for the better, I think, and it's really a welcome member of the family. So
Yeah,
Project for the Web, 2 weeks on, we're excited about it still.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, Bryan. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
You too.
Take care.
Bye, everybody.